In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Monday.com features comparison for project management. Let's set the stage with what each platform aims to solve. ClickUp positions itself as the software to replace all software. Its big promise is to save time and money by centralizing work and eliminating what it calls work sprawl, the wasted effort that happens when tasks, notes, and decisions are scattered across tools and conversations. ClickUp claims that a large chunk of work gets lost in context, and its core tools are built to keep everything visible and actionable in one place. Monday.com, on the other hand, is built as a single platform for managing all your work, but it leans heavily into tailored products for different teams, like marketing, sales, development, and service. Its focus is helping you automate tasks, streamline processes, and keep collaboration straightforward so goals get hit faster. A major ClickUp highlight is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant that lives across your workspace. Think of it as a constant companion that surfaces ambient answers, helps you manage projects without leaving the task you're in, and uses AI talk-to-text to speed up documentation and updates. It's designed to reduce the time you spend searching, switching tools, or rewriting the same status messages. On top of that, ClickUp includes specialized AI agents that support different departments. Project management agents track deliverables across timelines and dependencies. Marketing agents draft copy and creative briefs. Software agents assist with code-related tasks. Other agents focus on operations, employee experience, and removing repetitive check-ins so teams can stay aligned from strategy to execution. ClickUp also emphasizes scale and trust. It's used by millions of teams and meets global security standards like SOS 2 and GDPR. For organizations that care about outcomes, the platform highlights numbers like a 384% ROI, tens of thousands of hours saved, and payback in under 6 months. These are strong claims meant to show what happens when scattered tools are consolidated into one place. While every team is different, the takeaway is that ClickUp is intentionally built to centralize work and apply AI in a way that keeps projects moving without extra overhead. Now let's look at Monday.com. It's a single work platform that gives you different products tuned to the needs of specific departments, all working together. If you run a marketing team, a sales pipeline, or a service desk, Monday.com lets you assemble the pieces you need to manage those workflows, then tie them back to shared goals. Automations are core to the experience. You can trigger status changes, notifications, and handoffs with simple rules, so repetitive steps run in the background while your team focuses on execution. It integrates your favorite apps so data flows in one place, which keeps reports and dashboards consistent and helps leaders make informed, data-driven decisions. Monday.com is built to boost collaboration and simplify communication. Boards keep tasks, owners, due dates, and updates together, so people don't have to chase information. Because the workflows are customizable, teams can shape them to match their process, rather than forcing a process to fit the tool. This flexibility is a big reason it's recognized as a market leader. The platform points to ROI improvements as well, citing a significant uplift when teams streamline their operations and automate routine work. When comparing the two, consider how your team prefers to work and where you feel the most friction today. If your pain is constant context switching and a pile of tools that don't talk to each other, ClickUp's all-in-one approach and AI assistant can reduce that chaos. The specialized agents are useful if your departments need help drafting content, tracking deliverables, or moving technical work forward without constant manual check-ins. If your priority is tailoring distinct products for marketing, sales, development, or service while keeping everything in one ecosystem, Monday.com's modular structure and robust automations shine. For project managers, Both platforms support planning, tracking, and reporting. ClickUp's strengths show up when you need deep cross-team visibility with AI handling updates, summarizing information, and speeding up documentation through talk-to-text. Monday.com excels when you want to rapidly configure workflows for each team, automate routine steps, and keep everyone aligned through simple boards and dashboards. In both tools, integrations reduce the need to pivot between apps. The choice often comes down to whether you want a centralized, AI-first workspace or a suite of tailored products that you can assemble for each department. Security and scale matter as well. ClickUp meets global standards like SOC 2 and GDPR and is built for enterprise-grade control, which is helpful for organizations that need strong governance. Monday.com's recognition as a market leader emphasizes its reliability and adoption across industries. If you're rolling out a platform company-wide, look at how your teams collaborate today and which approach will create the least friction during onboarding. As you evaluate, map your must-haves before you configure anything. List the workflows that cause delays, the approvals that stall, and the reporting you need to make timely decisions. In ClickUp, lean into ClickUp Brain to surface answers and create summaries so your team spends less time writing updates and more time doing the work. Use the specialized agents to remove status meetings and keep momentum high. In Monday.com, design your workflows with clear owners and stages. Then use automations to move tasks forward without manual nudges. Connect your most used apps so data stays centralized and reporting stays accurate. Either way, the goal is the same: fewer silos, faster decisions, and a clear view of progress. Pick the platform that matches your team's rhythm. Then build a simple, scalable structure that people will actually use. That's how you unlock the time savings and ROI both platforms are aiming to deliver. If you found any value in today's video, hit that like button, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe to our channel.